welcome back to another Windy VR16 video. Guys, George, come out. So,
What is it?
we are gonna be we're gonna be doing a food combat. Round one, starting. So, George, you have to wait here until I'm done. Okay?
What?
You have to go on the table. Actually, no, just go on go on here. Oh, just wait. I said wait. Okay, guys, I need to be quick. So yeah. Ew. Oh. Burger. And a little bit of topping, and then it should be done. Tasty. Okay, now wait. I'm done. I call you sir a beef burger. It made with a ton of protein. But just be careful. No, bro! Grab it right here. And then you get a full express. Eat it. I said eat. So, did you like it?
Oh my god.
Well, how do you rate your first delicious meal?
Okay, I'm about to say 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, but my butt is now hurts because I keep farting all the time.
Okay. Next round. Round 2 starting.
Okay, we're gonna be making something really good for my buffer. I'm gonna put here. Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm actually serious.
I'm gonna be making the Eiffel Tower.
Okay, bro's calling it the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. Both beans taste good. The beans that not mostly taste goodies. I call it the beans that not. Okay, I'm gonna put something on top of here. What's the on here? And there's some good on here. Yes. Now we're gonna put the good in. And now we're gonna add banana shit. Ow! Yeah, banana shit. It looks like it's gone to me, but it isn't.
Wait, okay. So,
I am officially done.
oh, okay.
Mama!
Okay, I'll see you at a...
You have to hold the burrito, yo. Oh yeah! I almost forgot it. Yes, then.
Okay, guys, she's almost done. I'm gonna be waiting.
Lulu!
So, what is the code?
Lulu! I made it an Eiffel Tower.
What the...
Oh,
Grab onto.
a burrito.
Okay, drop it.
Yes, then,
Drop
right
it.
here.
Okay. It looks like
Let you
another
shine.
tower, Liz.
Yeah, good. Pizza.
Banana.
You just turned into a banana.
I think this has some side effects.
Onion. Okay,
I rated it a 5 out of 10. Yeah.
Wah! Wah!
Hey!
Why is your goop on here? Come here. Why your goop?
I don't really know.
Okay, now it's your turn to make some food
guys,
for me.
Dish.
Ah!
So I need to set it up.
Ah!
Ugh.
Ah!
sugar, laddie. We should be done. So, I will add a cheese first, because it's delicious. Then I will add a lettuce.
Is it done?
No, bro, just wait. And then I'm gonna add. Perfect. I call this a double calorie of death.
Finally! What is...
Wait! I only have 10 seconds. 10, 9.
Why?
Oh, seasoning! Maybe just a... It's done.
Okay, what do you have
I
to
call
grab
this
on?
a double calories of death.
What do you even
grab
need to
a
grab
patty.
on?
Whoa, ew, you grabbed the cheese! Disgusting. You're supposed to grab a patty. Does it taste good?
It tastes amazing! I give that a 9 out of 10 for especially adding 2 billion calories in it.
Wait, so how much? Okay, I'm so far in the lead. Wait, so. Hey guys, round 4 is now on production. I'll meet Georgie in round 4. So I better be careful. Okay, come on. Okay, I will put the camera where you working at.
A special ingredient.
Okay. Ready, see, go!
Okay.
Wonder what he's creating. Psst. Report. You, be careful. Seeing RPG ammo, be careful. Don't get mistaken.
Okay.
I mean mistaken. Wait, your recipe,
Quickly go.
don't,
Bro, why would you just... Bro,
I didn't fold it, it just flied away. Okay, I don't want to spoil anything, so let's see. Who looks like he's correct a coffee? This could have most sugar in it. Yes, I could get a sugar rush. Better be careful. Okay. 9, 28, 27,
Whoa!
26, 24, 21, 20, 29. I mean, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, drill it to a table.
I made it. You!
Is
You are
that
gonna-
lettuce?
No, it's broccoli.
Whoa. Yeah, it's lettuce. It's like...
Fine, it's lettuce again. Well, I created a small body. He's a human and he's about to get eaten.
Okay.
Wait, don't forget. You have to.
Ah! Okay.
Wait, we just turned big.
Yum. I give you a 10 out of 10 for yummy calories. I was flying around, baby. So guys,
What?
see you.
Here.
Okay. Just don't look at it. Hey. Don't look. Okay. Okay, guys, it's almost done. I'm finally done! deluxe. Wait, I'll be right back. I'm adding one final seasoning. Wait, no, I'm done. Okay, eat it. Bam, 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 bam.